This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Nancy Conley. Looking for room to roam and plenty of space for the toys? Beautiful Sunrise Estates home, pristine throughout, perfectly situated on over an acre of land on the canal. Open concept, split floor plan, cathedral/vaulted ceilings, expansive double sliders to bring the outdoors in. Island kitchen west/granite, new G stainless steel appliances, double pantry closet. Updated bathrooms, spacious master bedroom west/2 walk-in closets, ensuite bath west/luxurious soaking tub and separate shower. 2 large guest bedrooms, each west/double closets. 2018 metal roof, 2018 Trane 5-ton 19.5 Seer air conditioner west/smart home thermostat, 2016 Aeration Ozone well water system, 11 by 19 screened porch, pavered patio, fenced yard, air conditioned 21 by 32 garage, room for your boat, RV pad complete west/septic hookup, storage shed. For more information, review the details below or contact Nancy Conley at 772-236-5825.